friends, today we are going to learn about the parallel lines and transversal म्हणजेच समांतर रेषा व छेदिका. These two lines x and y, these are parallel lines म्हणजे समांतर रेषा. These lines which is lie in the same plane and do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. म्हणजेच एकाच प्रतलात असणाऱ्या आणि एकमेकींना न छेदणाऱ्या रेषांना आपण समांतर रेषा म्हणू शकतो. In this figure, the line x and line y, these are parallel lines. As well as the second is first parallel, the second is transversal. Transversal means छेदिका. In this figure, you can see the line x and line y, these are parallel lines, but the line P intersect these two lines, means this line P is transversal for line x and y. जर एखादी रेषा दिलेल्या दोन रेषांना दोन बिंदूंमध्ये छेदत असेल तर त्या रेषेला त्या दोन रेषांची छेदिका असे म्हणतात. दिलेल्या आकृतीमध्ये लाइन P ही लाइन x आणि y यांची छेदिका आहे. So let's start now. The angles made by transversal, छेदिकेमुळे होणारे कोन. पहिला आहे corresponding angles, संगत कोन. The first type of angle is corresponding angles, means संगत कोन. Look at the figure. In this figure, the line AB and line FG, these are parallel lines, and line CH, these are transversal of this line. So in this figure, angle CDA and angle DEF, these two angles are corresponding angles, as well as the angle CDB and angle DEG, these two angles are corresponding angles. Angle HEF, this angle, and angle EDA, this angle are corresponding angle. And the last one is HEG means this angle, and angle EDB, this angle. These two angles are corresponding angles. These are the four pair of corresponding angles. ह्या चारही संगत कोनांच्या जोड्या आहेत. The second is interior angles, अंतरकोन. In the given figure, the angle ADE, this angle, and angle DEF, this angle. These angles are interior angles, as well as BDE, and angle DEG, these two angles are interior angles, like this. The third one is alternate angles, म्हणजे व्युत्क्रम कोन. In this figure, the angle ADE, and angle DEG, these are alternate angles. They make Z a symbol like Z. These angles are alternate angle, as well as angle BDE and angle DEF. These are also alternate angles, means व्युत्क्रम कोन. So our next point is the properties of angles. Corresponding angles, alternate angles, and interior angles. In the given figure, the angle EFB and angle FGD, EFB and FGD. These two angles are corresponding angles and the measurement of these two angles are equal. That is why the angle EFB similar angle FGD as well as the alternate angle have the same property of corresponding angles. Like the angle AFG, this angle and angle FGD, this angle. These two angles are alternate angle and these two angles have similar measurement. If just imagine if the angle AFG is equal to 40 degree, then the angle FGD is equal to 40 degree. Because of the properties of angles, their corresponding angles and alternate angles have same property, but the interior angles like angle AFG and angle FGC, these two angles are interior angles and the measurement of these two angles are 180 degree. Means suppose the angle AFG is given is an angle 50 degree. Then we can say that the angle FGC is 180 minus 50, 130 degree. The angle FGC is equal to 130 degree. This is the property of interior angles. These three angles are very important for finding the given value. So let's start the examples. In the given figure, if line M parallel line N, this line M and N are parallel, and line P is a transversal, then find X. Here is X. We have to find out the X. The angle, these are interior angles, and the property of interior angles is the measurement of interior angles is 180 degree. Therefore, by the property of interior angles, by the property of interior angles, 3x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 3x plus x is equal to 4x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 divided by 4. Therefore, x is equal to x is equal to 45 degree. By the law of interior angle, we can find the x. That is why the measurement of this angle is 45 degree, and this angle is 3 into 45 is equal to 135 degree. In the given figure, if line A parallel line B and line L is transversal, then find X. So we want to find out the measurement of X. Therefore, first look at here, this angle and this angle, these are opposite angles. And by the property of opposite angles, the pair of opposite angles are equal or same. Means this is 2x. Therefore, this angle is also 2x. And then the property of interior angle, 4x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 4 plus 2 6x is equal to 180 degree, and x is equal to 180 divided by 6. Therefore x is equal to 30 degree. The amount of x is 30 degree. The value of x is 30 degree. The line P parallel line L parallel line Q, and this is the angle X. So we want to find out this angle. So first let's find out the value of this angle, means B. If the angle is 30 degree, these are alternate angles. By the law of alternate angles, by the property of alternate angle, so by the property of alternate angle, B is equal to 30 degree. B means this angle, and this is A angle. This is also a alternate angles. By the property of alternate angles, the measurement of A is equal to 40 degree. Therefore angle X is equal to A plus B is equal to 30 plus 40 is equal to 70 degree.